The sponsor of this episode is Chadwell Supply, an OG in the multifamily industry. Chadwell Supply is the largest privately owned maintenance and repair supplier, and they deliver orders the next day from local warehouses across the United States. To find out how Chadwell Supply will make your day better, visit www.chadwellsupply.com/difference.
Belly to belly business. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around for just a second. I'm going to give you 3 takeaways as to why belly to belly business should make a comeback in the world of business. But first, let me tell you what belly to belly business is. It is a European way of doing business, and it simply means showing up in presence, in person, to have a conversation with somebody that you potentially intend to do business with, as opposed to this, right? Screen to screen, screen face to screen face. You show up in person and you actually have a conversation in person. You get to experience body language in person. You get to hear your tone and voice in person. You get to see somebody physically in person. 3 takeaways why that's busy. It really does amplify an experience such that it imbues in your mind more so as it relates to the person you are attempting to do business with. It gives you that opportunity to, let's call it, fill the vibe with another human being, something that you can't, or energy, however you want to describe that, something you cannot get screen to screen. The other thing is that it gives you the opportunity to get real-time feedback. So takeaway number 2, it gives you real-time feedback. In other words, you can react and respond real-time because you tend to be more focused in a room than you do here. Here, sometimes you're doing other work. On the screen over here, you're doing work, or you're not paying complete and whole and total attention to what is going on in front of you. So when you are in person, you get that opportunity to provide real-time feedback based on the vibe in the room. And the third takeaway is that you really do establish a deeper sense of loyalty and commitment to that person that you intend to do business with, or the person that you are doing business with, and they're just there visiting you, or you're there visiting them in person. So let me give you a bonus takeaway, number 4. It gives you that opportunity to demonstrate visibly and obviously physically that you care about that relationship, especially in a world where you've got just screen to screen, screen face to screen face. You can differentiate yourself because you are the person that takes the time to get out into the marketplace to see somebody in their space in person. It demonstrates a level of care that not a lot of other people are going to do. It's kind of like sending personalized notes versus emails or text messages. Those things have come back into style. The in-person meeting and the personal note, the personal thank you note, or whatever, congratulations note, is back in style because it's very different than the way people transact business today or create relationships today. So my 3 takeaways plus a bonus for you today. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.
Thank you again to Chadwell Supply for sponsoring this episode. Chadwell Supply delivers unforgettable service with next-day delivery, online and in-person maintenance training, procurement platform, assistance to make your ordering simple. Visit chadwellsupply.com/difference to learn how Chadwell Supply will make your day better.